Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance with Sawan Kumar. And today I want to touch upon a very interesting topic that is close to me and that is actually close to everybody irrespective of what their qualification is, what their profession is, because all of us are into one common business and that common business is of making money. So personal finance is something that matters to everybody. Personal finance is something that everybody wants to talk about, understand about, and wants to know how to manage and what to manage and everything about personal finance. And being a chartered accountant myself, I do understand finance fortunately better than everybody else. So whenever we talk of personal finance, three words that comes to our mind are savings, investment, and retirement. These are the three things that whenever we think of financial planning, whenever we think of personal finance, these are the three words that comes to our mind always: savings, investment, and retirement. But I'll tell you something that these three words should be the last things that should be coming to your mind when you think of personal finance, when you think of your retirement, or when you think of yourself. The first thing that should be coming to your mind is income. Income, yes, you heard me right. None of us think of it. None of us bother to think about it. Most of us spend hell lot of time in thinking about saving money. The more we spend more time on thinking about how to save money than the amount of time we are investing on making money. Most of the people are collecting discount coupons, discount vouchers, where to get some discount from, where to get some coupons from, and how to somehow manage and save money that they are spending. They are not focusing on income. And this is one thing that causes the biggest problems. Because people do not have enough money to save. People do not have enough money to invest. Leave aside the retirements. People do not have enough money to live because income is not their focus. They are thinking of something else all the time. They are not thinking of income. And you are not thinking of income. So if you want to build a life of your own, a successful life of your own, you need to start thinking of income. Yes, you heard me right. You need to start thinking of income. You have to start spending more than 90% of your time thinking about income and not about savings, not about how to save money. Right now, we do the right opposite. We are spending 90% of our time thinking of how to save money, how to save on the expenses, where to invest, what to do, what not to do. With whatever residual income you have, you are thinking about savings. But this needs to change. 90% of your time should be spent on focusing on income. How would you increase your income? Where would your income come from? How can you add new sources of revenue? How would you have new incomes coming in? How can your salary be increased? What you can do? How you can upgrade your skill set? What would help you in increasing your income? You have to struggle, talk to yourself. The amount of talks that you do with yourself on how to save money, you need to change the direction and you need to do an equivalent amount of talk to yourself and everybody else about how your income can be increased. Yes, it can increase. No matter whether you are into a job or you are into your business or doing anything that you are doing, you can increase your income. You can increase your income. You just need to focus on that. You need to shift your focus from savings to income. You need to think of income. You need to dream of income. Right now, what do you dream of? Tell me, what do you dream of right now? Saving money? How to get some discount? Waiting for the Maha sale or Maha discounts of Flipkart and Amazon and Myntra? Yes, you are. You are waiting for those discount days. You keep waiting for those discount days, which is never gonna come. You are never gonna save money if you are not increasing your income. You need to increase your income so much that you automatically are left with so much of money to plan for your retirement, to plan for your children, your kids' education and everything else. So start thinking of income before you think of savings. Have a good day.